Hey guys, in this video I am going to be showing you how to install Windows Terminal. So a small note to be mentioned first, if you are on Windows 11, Terminal is already pre-installed. You can access it right here, but this video is dedicated to users on Windows 10 because they don't have Windows Terminal pre-installed. So I will show you how to install it right now. So the first thing you need to do is open the store, and then within the store type in Windows Terminal, and then hit the first result which pops up, and then click on download over here, and once it's downloaded just go ahead and type in terminal, and there you go. This is Windows Terminal. So in case you're wondering what is Windows Terminal, it's the newer version of command, which is this. So this is essentially the newer version of command prompt, and it's also the new version of PowerShell, because if I click on this arrow icon here, you can see I can have another tab with PowerShell. So it's like one app for all of your terminal command prompts. Windows PowerShell, you can all run all of those in one app. That's what it is. And then you have got settings. So in settings you can set the default terminal application to be Windows Terminal, and then click on save. And then you have some other effects and customization, tons of stuff. I will be making a full review on this app very soon, so stay tuned for that. So if you want, you can go down and enable retro terminal effects, click on save, go back to command prompt. You can see you have these effects and stuff. So I recommend that you download this because they are really amazing. You can use commands, for example, like let's say winget, and you can search for VirtualBox, stuff like that, and download apps. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll make a full review detailing all of the apps, all of the features available over here, and I'll explore this in further detail. Yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.